I'm excited to show you the new single or double-ended bypass linear lamp that's part of our Pro LED LineConnect family. The LineConnect family is a Type B lamp which bypasses the ballast, so there's no need to worry about ballast compatibility. This lamp comes in 2-foot, 3-foot, and 4-foot lengths to be able to complete projects easily. The lamp can also be wired either single-ended or double-ended bypass for ease of installation. We will offer the single or double-ended bypass lamp in 3500, 4000, 5000, and 6500K color temperatures. The 12-watt 4-foot lamp will provide approximately 1800 lumens, the 3-foot 12-watt 1500 lumens, and the 2-foot 7-watt 900 lumens. These lamps have a CRI of 83 and a beam spread of 160 degrees. This reliable and efficient linear fluorescent T8 replacement is an excellent retrofit option. It's suitable for use in totally enclosed luminaires, and in case a ballast is left connected, there's a thermal limitation that will cause the lamp to turn off, allowing the lamp to still be used. For more information on the new linear bypass lamps, along with our full linear line, including Type A Quick Connect and Type AB Duo Connect lamps, visit our website at halcolighting.com or find us on social media.